This is a video solution to accompany the written instructions for Practice Exercise 3. You will begin Practice Exercise 3 by uploading the Tier 2 Practice EX3 file. You will be creating a 2D contour toolpath in the CAM workspace. After opening the file, switch to the CAM workspace and create a new setup using the defaults, except to set the coordinate system so that Z is up or aligned with the model's Y-axis and X is the same direction of the model X-axis. You'll also need to center the coordinate system on the stock point in the middle at the top of the stock. Make sure that units are set to inch. Start the 2D contour toolpath from the 2D dropdown. Select the tool by first using Filter by Type to only search for flat end mills. Click OK and modify the by dimension filter and set it to 1/2 inch, and look for the 1/2 inch flat end mill in the sample inch aluminum library, then click OK. Switch to the Geometry tab and select the bottom outside edge for the contour. Leave the Heights tab as default, but in the Passes tab, select Roughing Passes. Leave the other values as default and click OK to generate the toolpath. When the toolpath is generated, it will have two paths, a roughing and a finish pass. Now you can save the file having completed Practice Exercise 3.